Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Akelo Hope Vanessa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be taking you through computer literacy skills, basically practical knowledge. Yeah, so this is my first YouTube video. I'm going to be introducing you to basic computer. Yes, so let's start. First of all, we know that computer is like it's a digital device that has the ability to process data. You input the data, then it's processed and stored. Yes. Okay, the steps are input, processing, then you output and you store. Yes, those are the steps of information cycle. So the first thing I'm going to introduce you to under basic computers. The first thing is, you guys know the start button. It is that outstanding button on your keyboard when you open your PC. And then also when you open your computer, you're able to see very many things on the monitor. Those are called icons. Yes, these icons, they're like symbols that show you different what each file or each folder has. Then we have the icons, and we also have the down here on the where you can see my cursor moving. That is the taskbar. It has most of the icons you use. Like, it always has like the icons that you're always using, or the icon you're using at that time. Like now to record this video, I'm using Camtasia. That's why you can see it down here, the red and the green. That is Camtasia. Then I'm also going to introduce you to how you can open, simple way to open Microsoft. Yes, because the first program we're talking about is Microsoft Word. Yeah, we have 3 steps of opening, like 3 different ways on how you can open your Microsoft. The first thing you can do, you can come here to this down here on the taskbar. We have the search bar. So you come there and you type. You can type Word. Then when you type Word, you right click and you type Word. And you type Word, you search, and it will bring for you it will bring for you a dialog box like this one that has the Word app. Then I right click and it opens. Then when it opens, it brings me different documents. There's a blank document, chronological letter, depends on what you want. And me, I want I want a blank document. Yes, I want a blank document, so I open it. And this is how a blank document looks. We have in the Microsoft Word, there's home, there's insert, there's design, there's layout, we have references, mailings, which will have which like we can use them for different things. Like, for example, when I'm mail merging, I'm going to use mailings. When I'm creating table of content, I can use references. When I want to do watermark, I can go to design. When I want to do a watermark, I can go to insert. Actually, I go to insert. When I want to insert comments, I still go to insert. So all these different different words. Okay, I don't know the words, but yeah, we can use them for different functions. Then also another way I can open Word is by looking for on my keyboard. I go to my keyboard, then I look for the window window tab, and I tap it, and R. It's WinR. Then it comes here. Then when it brings me a dialog, like a mini dialog box. Then when they bring the dialog box, I just type WinWord. Mine already has WinWord because I'd used it before. But it's your first time, you type WinWord. Then after, you type OK. It just takes you straight away to Word. Then also you can choose the document you want. If you want a blank document, you want a chronological letter, you choose like the document you want. you have the privilege to choose. Then also the third way, which I can open Microsoft Word. Like now, for example, on my PC, I already have Word on my Word as one of my icons. So I can just go there and tap it. Then and double click, right click. When I right click, they bring for me this dialog box, and I just tap open, and it comes here. Yes, that is it. Yeah, that is it for what? For basic, like just introducing you to Microsoft Word. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming. The next video is going to be on how to save, so you can just subscribe and tap the notification bell so that whenever I put another video, you can access it. Otherwise, thank you. Stay blessed. Have a lovely day.